Hi everyone, welcome to Career Gate by Shailu. Please do like, share and subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Career Guide by Shailu. In today's session, let us discuss some of the simplification tricks. So, our first problem is, we all know that when problems like under root 2, under root 2, under root 2, under root 2, if this does not ends with infinity, so let's see how to solve these kind of problems. So take the number what is under root 2. What is here? 2. On the other side, take 2. Now calculate how many 2's are there in this problem. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now 2 to the power of 4. Calculate how much it is. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, right? Now from this 16, subtract 1. How much we'll get? 15. Yes? Now 2 to the power of, write this 15 in the numerator and this 16 in the denominator. This is your answer for this problem. In general, we'll solve it in a lengthy manner, right? But this is not like that. It's very simple. Let's do for one more problem. Under root of 8, under root 8, under root 8, under root 8. If this is like this, it's not with infinity. That's the thing. So write the number 8. And on the another side, take 2. Now calculate how many 8's are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to the power of 4, 16. Now what is the answer? We have to subtract 1, right? Directly we can write there. 8 to the power of 15 by 16 is your answer. Do this one homework. Under root 7, under root 7, under root 7, under root 7, under root 7. So, comment. Answer this. Okay. Now, second model. Now, what if under root 2, 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 if this is so on like this and it ends with infinity, what is our answer? Within fraction of seconds we can say that the answer is 2. Okay, usually we will do it in a very lengthy manner, but I am here to explain only the very shortcuts. And for second problem, if this is under root 5, under root 5, under root 5, under root 5, under root 5 and so on, infinity, answer is 5. Okay, so now usually we will get confused of both these two methods. So don't get confused. Here when a number is under root and it ends with infinity, we will get the answer which is in under root. Okay, and here it's not like that. Here we have to solve in this particular method. And one more question, I am giving homework. Root 13. Answer this in the comment section. So I think everyone is clear with these two methods, and let's go for one more method. So here our third model, when it is under root 6 plus under root 6 plus under root 6 plus under root 6 and so on, it is infinity. So what is the difference between the previous problems and this? In the previous problems, here there is no plus symbol. For both the problems, it is only multiplication. Okay, but whereas here in this problem, there is a plus symbol and infinity at the end. Now let's see how to solve. Firstly, I'll tell the traditional method and then I'll explain you the shortcut. Okay, listen carefully. The formula for this is under root 4n plus 1 divided by 2. Now, let's see how to solve this. The value of n is 6. Okay. Under root 4 into 6 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. How much it will be? 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. So under root of 25 plus 1 divided by 2. Under root 25 means what is the value of root 25? It's a square root na. So we'll get 5. So 5 plus 1, 6. 6 by 2 is equals to 3. Okay. So 3 is your answer. And now trick is you have to find the factors for this 6. Factors for 6 is 2 into 3, 6. Yes or no? So now there is a condition. The factors which we are getting, when we subtract these two, the difference is 1. Okay. So 2 minus 3 will get how much? 1 only. Okay. The difference is 1. When the difference is 1 and the cofactors are there for this number, take the bigger number. Why bigger number? Because here in the problem we are having plus symbol, right? So if there is plus symbol, you can take the bigger number. So in this 2 and 3, what is the bigger number? 3. See, using trick we get the same answer, and using the formula also we got the same answer, right? So it's very simple to calculate like this. Now this is one more problem, like under root 56 minus under root 56 minus under root 56. If it going on like this through infinity, we already had a formula that 4n plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2. So you'll get a doubt here. Why am I taking minus here? Because in the question itself it is minus. No, that's why I'm taking minus. In the previous problem I have taken plus, because in the question there is plus. So depends upon the question. Here the value of minus and plus changes. Now n is equals to 56. Slowly I am saying, listen very carefully. 4 into, substitute this 56 here. 4 into 56 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2. Now 6 4s are 24. Take 4 here and 2 carry here. 5 4s are 20. 22. 224 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2. Now 224 plus 1, how much it is? 225. 225 minus 1 divided by 2. The square root of 225 is 15. So now 15 minus 1 divided by 2 is equals to how much? 14 by 2. Now 2 ones are 2 sevens are. So the answer is 7. Through formula we are getting 7, right? Now let us see through trick. What is the trick? The factors for 56 are 7 and 8. Their difference is 1. Yes or no? So now we have to take the smaller value, that is 7. Why 7? Because in the formula it is minus. That's the reason I am taking the lesser value here. If in the formula if there is plus, we will take the higher value. Okay. Now I'm giving one more question for homework. That is under root 11 minus under root 11 minus under root 11 minus under root 11 goes on infinity. Now children, I'm giving a hint here, because you'll go for factors, right? But don't go for factors, because in factors also we have to get the difference 1. Whereas for 11 we don't get the factors. Okay. So though we get the factors also, the difference is not 1. So go for this formula and tell me the answer in my comment section. And subscribe to my channel. So this is one more problem. Under root 6 plus under root 6 minus under root 6 plus under root 6. If the question is so on like this with infinity. So now there is a formula for this also. Under root 4a minus 3 plus 1 divided by 2. Now 4 into 6 minus 3 plus 1 divided by 2. 6 4s are 24. 24 minus 3 21. plus 1 divided by 2. We can write this in both ways, root 21 by 2 plus 1 by 2, or else directly also you can write. So this is the answer for this, and you have to remember this formula because this is an exceptional case when both plus and minus are there. In previously we have seen along with plus, along with minus, and with infinity and without infinity, and this is combination of both plus and minus. So I think it's very helpful. Please share with others so that others can learn.